Good day everyone, this is Sir TV and today pag-uusapan natin about algebraic equations. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng algebraic equations? Algebraic equation is a mathematical statement consisting of algebraic expressions separated by an equal sign. So when we say algebraic equations, ayan po yung mathematical statement na may equal sign. Okay? So kapag nakakita ka ng equal sign, ang tawag doon ay equation. And dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin ay algebraic, bale ah, ah, itong equation ay nag-i-involve ng algebraic expressions. So ito po yung examples ng algebraic expressions. We have x plus 3 is equal to 5, 2y is equal to 16, 3a plus 5 equals a minus 7, x multiplied by x plus 3 equals 40, and then this equation m over 3 equals 3 over m minus 8. So ayan po yung ilan sa examples ng algebraic equations. Okay? So dito sa algebraic sa bawat algebraic equation, meron tayong symbol na naghiwalay sa kanila, which is equal sign. And yung equal sign ay naghahati into two sides ng equation. Yung expression na nasa kaliwa ng equal sign, ang tawag dito ay left hand side. Tapos lahat ng expression na nasa kanan ng equal sign ay tinatawag na right hand side. Okay? So, yung nasa kaliwa, ang tawag doon left hand side or LHS. Tapos, lahat ng nasa kanan ng equal sign ay tinatawag na right hand side or RHS. Okay? So, ang tawag sa kanila ay algebraic equations. Okay, dito, the keyword is or is equal to is associated by equal sign. So, kapag meron tayong keyword na is or is equal to, ibig sabihin equal sign po yan. Kapag magta-translate tayo from verbal statement to mathematical statement or algebraic equations. Okay? Kaya naman, we're going to translate the following statements to algebraic equations. So, to start with, number 1, the sum of a number and 8 is 10. So, kung hindi pa napanood kung paano tayo mag-translate ng verbal to mathematical phrases or statements is mangyari na panoorin nyo muna yung video na yon. So, nasa description naman po yung link eh. So, let's answer this one. The sum of a number and 8 is 10. Yung salitang sum ay tumutukoy sa addition. Tapos, kapag meron tayong hindi nabanggit na variable, i-delete natin as x. Okay? So, let's say, the sum of a number. Yung number po ay x na tinutukoy. Okay? The sum of a number and 8 is 10. So, ibig sabihin, the sum of a number and 8, ibig sabihin, x plus 8 po yun. And then, yung salitang is ay equals. Tapos, 10. Okay? Kaya naman, ang equation po dito ay x plus 8 is equal to 10. So, this is the answer for this question. Okay? Next, number 2, twice the number is equal to 8. So, pag sinabing twice the number, ibig sabihin 2 times the number. So, ibig sabihin 2 times x. Okay? And then is, yung salitang is, ang meaning non equals, no? Or is equal to, no? Pag ganyan, is equal to, ibig sabihin equal siya, then 8. Kaya ang equation dito ay 2x equals 8. Ayan. Next, number 3, 5 subtracted from a number is 2. So, dahil sa keyword na subtracted from, yung salitang from, ibig sabihin nun, ang mauuna is yung number kapag isusulat natin, ano po. And since dinabanggit yung variable, ililit na lang natin as x. Okay? And then, pag sinabing 5 subtracted from a number, bali babalik tarin mo lang no? Mauuna si x bago yung 5. Okay? Kaya naman, x minus 5 po, ibig sabihin nun. And then, is 2. Yung salitang is, ibig sabihin, equals yon, then 2. So, ang equation po dito ay x minus 5 equals 2. Number 4, twice a number n increased by 7 is equal to 17. So, again, twice a number, ibig sabihin nun, 2 times x. I mean, 'di ba? Na-mention na yung variable which is n, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin 2 times n po 'yon. Okay? Twice a number n increased by 7. Yung salitang increased by addition po 'yon. Tapos 7 then is equal to, ibig sabihin equals 'yon, then 17. Kaya ang equation po dito ay 2n plus 7 is equal to 17. Next, number 5, the sum of two numbers is 80. Yung two numbers na yon ay hindi nabanggit yung variable. So, ilet na lang natin as x and y. Okay, yan yung two numbers. Ano po? And then, since yung sum ay tumutukoy sa addition, bale, the sum of two numbers means x plus y is 80. Yung is ay equal sign tapos 80. Kaya ang equation po dito ay x plus y is equal to 80. Next, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 15. So, na-discuss natin yung video na yon about this one, two consecutive numbers. No? May part na ito yung di-discuss natin. So, ibig sabihin po, yung two consecutive numbers na yon, yung unang number ay x, and then yung susunod na number ay one more than that. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, x plus 1, yung kasunod niyang number. And again, pag sinabing sum, addition po yon. So, x plus, quantity x plus 1. And then, is 15, so equals 15 po yon, no? Kaya naman, ang equation po ay x plus 1 equals 15. And then, number 7, thrice a number is equal to 10 more than that number. So, thrice a number, pag sinabing thrice, 3 times po yun, no? So, that is 3x yon. Okay? Is equal to 10 more than that number. Okay? May salitang than na naman, no? Okay? Katulad dun sa subtracted from. So, ibig sabihin, mauna muna yung number dito. Okay? And pag sinabing that number is the same number as this one. So, x po yun. Ano? And then, 10 more than that number. More than means addition. So, ibig sabihin nun, mauna muna yung x bago yung 10. Kaya naman, ang equation po ay 3x is equal to x plus 10. Okay? So, that's how you are going to translate verbal statements to mathematical statements or algebraic equations. So, ano bang purpose ng equation? Bakit may equal sign? So, ang gagawin sa algebraic equation ay isosolve natin. So, paano pag-solve ng equation? Solving an equation means finding the value of a variable that will make the statement true. So, ibig sabihin, kapag magsosolve tayo ng equation, hinahanap mo yung value ng isang variable na maging true yung statement. Okay? So, parang ganito, x plus 3 is equal to 5. So, ano ba magiging value ng x para maging true yung statement? Okay, parang ganito lang. Yung x, palitan natin ng missing part, which is, let's say, box. Okay? And then copy the rest of the equation. So, x blank plus 3 is equal to 5. So, para bumabalik tayo sa elementary, di ba? Hahanapin mo yung missing number para maging true yung addition. Okay? At alam natin, ang number na nasa box ay 2. Kasi 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Ganun po yun. Ano po? So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng x to make the statement true is 2. So, ibig sabihin, x is equal to 2. So, yun nga, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng x is 2. So, ganyan po ang pag-solve ng equation. Okay? Ayan po. Now, let's have some examples para mas maintindihan natin kung paano sinusolve. Okay, so for now, ang isosolve natin is yung equation by means of inspection. Ano po? So, susuriin natin ng mabuti, no, kung ano ba magiging value ng variable. And to do that, yung variables po, no, okay, yung x, yung y, mga ganyan, okay, papalitan muna natin ng box or blank para mas madali, no? So, let's say we have blank or box plus 3 is equal to 5. So, yun nga, nasagutan natin na 2. So, ibig sabihin, x is equal to 2. So, ayan po yung sagot sa number 1. Kasi 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Ayan. Next, number 2. 2y is equal to 16. So, anong ibig sabihin nito, yung 2y? Na-discuss po natin yan about algebraic expressions. Ang 2y po, ang ibig sabihin, 2 times y or 2 times blank. Okay? Papalitan natin ng blank or box equals 16. And then, tanong yung sarili ninyo, ano bang number ang ilalagay sa box na kapag binultiply natin sa 2, ang lalabas ay 16? Alam natin na ang sagot ay 8. Kasi 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So, meaning to say, yung value ng y na dapat natin papalitan para maging true yung statement ay 8. So, y is equal to 8. Ayan. Next, number 3, we have x over 5 is equal to 3. Ang ibig sabihin nun, blank divided by 5 is equal to 3. So, ano bang number na pwedeng ilagay sa box para maging true yung statement? Alam natin na ito ay 15. Bakit? Kasi 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Kaya ang value ng x dito ay 3. Okay? Ayan. Next, we have number 4. 2a minus 3 is equal to 7. Palitan natin ng blank yung variable. We have 2 times blank minus 3 is equal to 7. Medyo mahirap-hirap to, lalo na kung i-guess and check natin, ano po. So, as you can see, kapag binultiply natin yung 2 sa 5, so 2 times 5 is equal to 10, no? And then kapag sinubtract natin sa 3, so 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So, ibig sabihin, yung number na nasa box na ilalagay ay 5. So, to check, 2 times 5 is equal to 10 and 10 minus 3 is 7. Kaya ang value ng A dito ay 5. So, A is equal to 5. This is the answer. And then lastly, we have 10 minus x is equal to 9. So, 10 minus blank is equal to 9. So, ano bang number na pwedeng ilagay sa box? Di ba 1? Kasi 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Tama, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng x dito ay 1. And this is the answer. So, ayan po muna sa ngayon yung solving equations. So, na po, at least meron na kayong idea about dito. At ano bang purpose ng statement na ito. Okay? So, tandaan po lagi kapag magsosolve tayo ng equation, you are looking for the value of a variable, particularly x or y, that will make the statement true. Okay, so ayun, that's all for today about algebraic expressions, and I hope you learned something. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.